How to upgrade PhonePeace firmware. From time to time, PhonePeace will offer upgrades to the firmware to improve system performance. This video describes how to upgrade the PhonePeace firmware to the latest release. First, click on the link listed in the How to Upgrade PhonePeace Firmware FAQ section at www.myphonepeace.com. You will see a screen that looks like this. Find the xloader.zip folder and click on the circle in the upper right-hand corner. Find the latest PhonePeace firmware and click on the circle in the upper right-hand corner. Click the download button and you will see a OneDrive folder downloaded in the lower left-hand corner of your Windows desktop. Click the up arrow, click Show in Folder, find the folder and right-click on it and click Copy. Then minimize your Windows Explorer, minimize your browser, right-click and paste the file folder onto your desktop. You will now have a new file folder on your desktop. Now that you have a new OneDrive folder on your desktop, double-click to open it. You will see two folders inside, latest PhonePeace firmware and xloader. Highlight the two folders, right-click Copy, minimize your Windows Explorer, and right-click and click Paste to paste on your desktop. You will have now two new folders, one saying xloader and one saying latest PhonePeace firmware. Double-click on the one that says latest PhonePeace firmware. Here we will be selecting between this firmware to upgrade the RS unit or the system unit. We are going to show, for demonstration purposes, upgrading the RS unit. Make sure you select the right firmware upgrade for your particular unit, otherwise the unit will not work. Right-click on PhonePeace RS and click Copy, minimize your Windows Explorer, and then right-click and click Paste on your desktop. You will now have a new production folder, a new production file on your desktop. You can now right-click on the OneDrive folder and delete it, and you can also right-click on the latest PhonePeace firmware folder and delete it. Now, connect the programmer and the programming cables to your PhonePeace unit. Plug the programmer into PhonePeace, plug the cable into the programmer, and plug the other end of the cable into the computer. If you have the blue programmer, the GY232V2 should face up. If you have the red programmer with no chrome circles, the FTDI Basic-1 should face up. For the red programmer with 9 chrome circles on the left and right, YP05 should face up. If you need more information on how to plug the programmer in, see the video on how to program PhonePeace on a Windows computer. The next step will be to install the xloader application and upgrade the firmware to the unit. Now double-click on the xloader zip folder. Double-click on xloader and double-click on xloader application. Click Extract All, check to see that it will be extracting to your desktop, and click Extract. Now close your Windows Explorer and you will see a new folder on your desktop called xloader. Double-click on that and double-click on xloader again and double-click on xloader with the large X and you will see a screen like this. Minimize your Windows Explorer. The device name should be Uno at Mega 328. If not, click the drop down on the right-hand side to set it to Uno at Mega 328. Click the right arrow under COM port and click on your COM port. Make sure the baud rate is 115/200. Now, using the 3-button navigation button, find the file, the production firmware upgrade file that we stored previously, which is on your desktop. Click on it and click Open. Now, if the programmer cables are all connected correctly, click the Upload button. You will see the designation saying Uploading. You should also see flashing on your programmer. This could take up to 1 minute before the programming is complete, but when it's complete, you will see a message on the screen showing the number of bytes that have been transferred. And at that point, the display on your programmer will stop flashing. So in this case, it's complete. It shows the number of bytes that have been uploaded. The firmware upgrade is now complete. To check it, when you plug your PhonePeace unit back into your wall power, you will see a momentarily display that shows a number on it. That number should match the number on the file that you uploaded. For example, we uploaded 22.46.rs. You should see that on the PhonePeace display when you first plug it in, 22.46.rs. And that concludes the upgrading of the firmware on the PhonePeace unit. If you have any questions, please contact us at the numbers shown on the next panel.